The Porsche 718 is going electric, and honestly, this might be one of the biggest risks Porsche has taken in years.
Because the 2027 Porsche 718 EV might look as amazing as this concept we produced. Low, wide, clean, aggressive, futuristic, and still very Porsche. But it also has one big problem. There's no engine. And for a Porsche sports car, that matters.
Porsche fans do not just love speed, they love sound, vibration, mechanical feel, and that sense that the car is alive.
So the real question is not whether this 718 EV will be fast. It probably will be. The real question is, can it still feel like a Porsche? From the front, this concept has the right attitude. The hood is low, the headlights are sharp, the body is smooth, and the stance is wide. It does not look like a random EV with a Porsche badge. It still looks like a 718, just cleaner and more futuristic. Even without a gas engine up front, the black aero pieces and lower bumper make it look performance-focused and built for corners. That is where the EV design works. Porsche can smooth out the body, clean up airflow, and make the car look more modern. But that also removes some drama. Because the Cayman and Boxster were never just about numbers. They were about balance, steering, sound, and that mid-engine feeling.
So with this 2027 718 EV, Porsche cannot just make it quick. They have to make it feel alive.
From the side, the shape still works. The roofline is low, the cabin sits in that classic Porsche position, the rear fenders look wide, and the car still has that compact two-door profile. It does not look like a heavy luxury EV. It looks like a proper small Porsche. If Porsche made the 718 EV look too soft or too futuristic, enthusiasts would probably reject it immediately. This concept keeps enough of the familiar 718 identity that you still know what it is. It is not a Taycan coupe. It is not a baby 911. It is Porsche's smaller, sharper sports car. But now, the personality is changing. Some buyers will love it. They will see instant torque, quiet speed, modern technology, and a new kind of Porsche experience. But traditional Porsche fans may have a harder time.
Because for many people, a sports car without engine sound feels incomplete, even if it is faster, even if it handles well.
There is an emotional part of a gas Porsche that an EV has to work hard to replace. That is why this car needs more than straight-line speed. It needs steering feel, sharp braking, a playful chassis, and personality. Because if this feels like a fast electric appliance with a Porsche badge, that will not be enough. The rear is clean, wide, modern, and premium looking. The thin taillights, black trim, and wide hips make it look planted and expensive. It looks like it could still be fun. But again, the question comes back to emotion. When you look at a gas Cayman, you know there is an engine hiding back there. With this, there is silence. And silence can be cool. But is silence what people want from a Porsche 718? That is the problem. The 718 has always been one of Porsche's most driver-focused cars. It is smaller than the 911, more balanced, more approachable, and for many drivers, more connected to the road. So turning it electric is not just a redesign. It is a complete reset. Porsche is trying to prove that the future of the sports car does not need pistons, exhaust notes, or a screaming engine to be exciting. And honestly, that could work. Electric motors respond instantly. A battery can help lower the center of gravity. And if Porsche gets the steering and chassis tuning right, this could become one of the best driving EVs in the world. But the biggest question will not be 0 to 60. It will not be range. It will not even be charging speed. The real question is simple. Does it still feel like a Porsche? If it does, the 2027 Porsche 718 EV could prove that small electric sports cars can still be exciting. But if it does not, then Porsche might have a problem.
Taking the engine out means Porsche has to replace that emotion with something just as good. And that is not easy, my friend.
So yes, this concept looks sharp and futuristic. But the real test will not be how it looks standing still. The real test will be what happens when you drive it, Because the 2027 Porsche 718 EV does not just have to be fast, it has to make people feel something. And if Porsche can pull that off, maybe the electric 718 will not be the end of the Porsche sports car. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below.